everyone, welcome back to Faewood Mead, or if you're new, welcome to Faewood Mead. Today we are tasting the cranberry sauce. Oh, I love this mead. At least I did. We'll see how it's aged. So I was supposed to do like a tasting for this a while ago, but I am behind on tastings. So this was bottled November 21st, which is November 2021. Usually I like to do tastings at the 3-month mark. This has been like 6 months or something now. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. And I have a glass and a mug because I'm gonna heat some up. So this was a mead I basically didn't really share with many people because it was so good. I didn't want to share it. I wanted it all to myself, and that doesn't usually really happen for me so much. If you remember when I bottled this, it was pretty hazy. It does look like it had cleared quite a bit. I don't know, it's still a little hazy. It still smells really good. Cranberry, cinnamon. It's very cinnamony on the nose. Actually, I'm gonna put some in this mug too, and I'm gonna pop it in the microwave. Usually I will stovetop heat my mulled wines. I'm gonna microwave it. Sorry. All right, got some room temp mead and some warm mead. Let's try this one first, shall we? Ooh, it's so tart. It's really good though. Yeah, this is definitely one of my favorites, I think. There's just a lot of flavor in there. Now, for those of you who may not have seen the video series, the making of this mead, basically, I used a quart of cranberry juice. It did get stuck, I think because the environment was just a little too acidic for the yeast. I don't remember what this ended at, but it did get stuck. I stabilized it so it's not gonna like reactivate. And in secondary, I made cranberry sauce. Like I made it with oranges. It was like a cranberry orange sauce. And I basically put the mead on top of that and let it hang out. All right, the warm version. It's like a mulled wine when it's warm because the flavor's so strong. It just has this beautiful cinnamon cranberryness to it. So when you warm it up, it's like, it's really good. Honestly, I think I drank this hot more often than I drank at room temperature. It's great either way. When you warm it up, I think the cinnamon dies down just a little bit, but the flavors are all still very like bright and beautiful. I mean, I just love it. You better believe it. This winter, I'm making more of this. If anything, I'll make 3 gallons of it because I think like no one tried it. I drank like all of it. And then here I am doing my first tasting video. And I'm alone, of course, because I'm selfish. It's just so friendly. It's so friendly and warm and fall. It's so fall. I love the fall. We're in the middle of summer. Well, the beginning of summer, technically. Okay, we're in the beginning of summer and I'm like already, ugh. When is fall getting here? I love this. 100 out of 10 recommend making it. It was very simple. Of course, to help with your clarity, you can always add pectic enzyme. You can use clarifiers at the end, because I didn't do either of those things. Because you do have to like cook the cranberry sauce and everything, you know? All right, I'm gonna end this here. And I'm just gonna enjoy my mead because it's good. Well, thank you so much for watching. I will link all the videos below if you did not see this series. Thanks so much for being here. I do have memberships. I have a membership. I have Patreon. Yeah, I've got some other links and stuff down there. Follow me on Instagram. I've been posting more often. It's usually life stuff. Not a lot of mead, mostly just life stuff. All right, thank you. Appreciate you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. See you next time. Bye.